Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious nacho beef sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground beef, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. For the sauce base, grab 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes and 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Don't forget your spices: chili powder, cumin, oregano, and a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Finally, have 1 cup of beef broth ready. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your 1 pound of ground beef, breaking it up with a spoon as it cooks. Continue browning the beef for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's no longer pink. It's important to drain any excess fat from the skillet at this point to ensure your sauce isn't too greasy. Then, add your diced onion and minced garlic, sautéing them for about 3 minutes until they are soft and aromatic. Next, we'll build the rich sauce base. Stir in your 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes and the 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Now, it's time for the spices. Add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. For a little extra warmth, include a small pinch of cayenne pepper. Pour in 1 cup of beef broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, let's perfect our nacho beef sauce. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and pepper as needed to suit your preference. For an extra creamy texture, you can stir in about 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese, cooking until it's fully melted and smooth. Serve this warm, flavorful beef sauce generously over your favorite crispy tortilla chips. Garnish with fresh cilantro, sliced jalapenos, or a dollop of sour cream. This recipe makes enough for approximately 4 to 6 servings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.